Yes, so my people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Una welcome to our Bunga program, Iziga, when we see crime and security. And we talk about, as I always tell you for this program, my mind they suit me well, because say I know so I can dagriba for various reasons. And I want to watch this Bunga story. And I know the reason why we greetings for this program. And second, say no time when can know they happen. If they happen in the morning, if they happen in the afternoon, if they happen in the evening. That is why at any particular time when this crime happen, this gang crew will go there, go let them know what did they happen. Well, my name now Wellington Akodeja. Usazel Mogata equally day here.
My people, on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Akodeja don't come. No time we cry not till they happen. If they happen in the morning, they happen in the evening, they happen in the afternoon. So I think talking just now, Usazel Mogata in the year to follow now this story concerning crime and security.
Well, my people, as we always talking for this particular program, if you check under on our television set, now go see the presenter's number for that. That of the NDLEA did there. That one of the police control room did there. That of the fire service did there. Should the case not get any work on our area, we can afford these numbers to reach so that we go save life and security today everywhere. We will go for a small break as soon as we come. We'll knock on the forward to read for Iziga for this week.
Iziga, bad thing no good oh. All our youths, our boys and girls, where they live in bad things, e no good oh. You know they pay at last. Mona they do good thing. Mona start from small things. They do them. God go help una, go prosper una. Now good name na better pass riches so. Iziga.
Well, my people, wahala for suspected cultists as they start to accuse themselves for inside police station. One Hausa man went specialized to rob people. Though they cry for inside police custody. Say no say it will happen like this. My people, the story go long go, but I believe so na go and here. Make we go for small break. As soon as we come, we'll knock on the floor to read.
Advice where I get to give other people who say they feel old, who say they not did the pain what they feel now, and listen to them. So anyhow as they see us, when they get the lesson, say people like this way they say they do all this kind of things, see the repercussion where they face for the matter.
Take care for the crime not good.
My people, this particular terrain, the one when we say it go fit make person laugh, but person no go fit still laugh. This one called happen when we say some suspected cultists when we say yoga and one from other person they call gay yawa. As a gay yawa so now they call start to the fight. As they start to the fight, now police call arrest them, carry them go custody. The boys when we say they said they inside the court now they say they not they happy at all since their own number one. That they inside police custody. And they go check where they keep their arms and ammunition. And when they reach there, they carry one of the gun, they call take a go run. As they reach there, they rob some persons of their valuables. But however, law call run against them. They could find out from these people what make them go do this TV jankoriko when they go do so.
Now our friend now they arrest. Now make us go up.
Who's your friend?
Our number one for our society. Yeah. Yes.
So how many times now don't do this robbery?
For life now, this one will be my first time. I never try for my life since I was born.
So who rob?
Now only one student, some student like that, and we collect 350 naira from them. I'm 3-4.
So now, what would be your advice to other people who do this kind of thing?
I hope waiting be my advice to them. Anybody where they do this kind of thing where they never catch, may remove hand, cause it's very bad. If you see the kind suffer where they suffer for year, if I feel come out for year, before I reach gate, I they carry my whole Bible, they go my whole house, cause bad is very bad no good at all. I dey regret as I dey here. Dey regret for my life.
It's the same matter that brought me here. The armed robbery. The armed robbery we went to secure our brother's bail. Our brother that were arrested is bail.
Why was he arrested?
He was fighting with one of our brother, as in the two of them are our brothers. So they were fighting, and the police arrested them, and they asked for bail. So we are raising money from our court members a year. So they were unable to raise money. Our fathers, our mom are late. There's no money from anywhere. So that was why the suggestion came, because my brother was among the people that were arrested first. So I seconded it. So we took our court gun and we went to some students and robbed them of 3 and 350, 350 and a torchlight. That night, the next day, is still our own member of our court that we went to before to ask for money to bail our brother out, that still hold us down for the police. If not, police were able to catch us. So that is the reason why we are here.
How do you feel about this development?
I feel very, very bad. There's nobody that will feel very happy about this situation. And because I just came from Anambra State, I'm a barber, and I just spent 1 week in the village. I've not done this before. It was because my brother was in the scenario, that's why I went for this.
Sir, the matter be say one of our brother, so it's our lovely brother, he and no be he and another of our brothers, so two of them, they can't get crash, so they fight. After the fight, one of them, one can't go police station, go bring police, come arrest the other one. Then police now detain their two for station. As police detain their two for station, they can transfer them from Oronigbe to Abudu. From there, we can't be the chair to find money to pay them. So we go, as in we go outside of our members, go ask them, say whether they'll give us some kind of money, we will go gather to pay our brothers. So no one, they don't agree bring anything. So the suggestion now comes, so we just planning together, say see what thing we go do. So we can use our court gun to go arm some that is TV gas, collect for that is Okaligban side, collect Okaligban side Oronigbe, collect TV phone for their hand plus one torch with 350 naira for their hand. So after then daybreak, we can send this our brother may go buy food come for us. The next thing we will see people just round our two plus in, all of them come gather, come they all round us, say we not come out, round all of us, carry us go their own side, hand over us to Mopo, and the Mopo for community Baptist from there transfer us to Abudu, from Abudu to here. So this matter, so I wish this fight we dey fight they not fight. This matter will happen for not happen. For my life, I never rob before. I never rob. Nothing that I robbing for my life before. A big day I dey do till they live my life small. I never rob before. And my name is Stephen Bonsa.
Sir, I'm not really among these people. I was just coming back for fun when I saw one man engineer. He said I should help him, that he want to drink palm wine anywhere, any nearby place. And I was the one who took him to front of police station there, that they used to sell palm wine there. Instantly when we dropped, small time I saw a bus from our Abudu bus. They came there. So I did not do anything. I did not run. That is how they just carry me and the man, the engineer. They took us to a police station and we met those people at the cell where they put us. So that engineer now, they came to bail the engineer there. And when they came to bail the engineer, they packed all of us. They said I should take them to my house. Then I took them to my house. When they get to my house, they started searching and they saw beret. They saw red beret. Then I asked me that who is the owner of the beret. I told them that the beret is for me. They say, am I a Curtis? I say, yes, I'm a junior JVC Curtis from Lagos. But since when I get to Edo State here, I haven't joined anything Curtis. And that is how, from that day, that is how they'll be transferring me till I get myself here, sir.
My own is that we were fighting, me and my friend, because of phone. It's so full for me. So it's a spray phone. I want to use it to do another one. So he now come back, say I should break the phone, say he want to use it to repair another one. I say, okay, where is the phone now? He broke the phone, say I should repair it. As I was repairing it, I repair and finish, I give him the phone. So he can't bring him back about two days interval. He bring him back, say I not repair the phone well. I was a Curtis since Oba swear. We are not be doing any courtesan. Even before then, I was not even doing anything with courtesan. I am on my own. That is what I know for. Thank you.
My people, wonders shall never end, according to Oyibo people. Now see these people when you say, now they are oga, sake of say they won't go bail am for police station, say now make them go thief. Oga call they say, he send una, abi una call visit am for police station when tell una say he need money to cop bail. He need money for bail. He say already now they call compound problem for them. Say because he already secure a bail as he won't come out. Now they call arrest, they call joining, now they call say in at the guys. But he send now this particular message. But we hear from the Oga.
No arrest me. Go say for no.
What you tell us me shut up.
No, you know everything they talk just now. He say how would you not arrest me? If for no fun himself. Now me send me go rob. Me send me go rob now.
Okay, now you they say you fight.
Yes.
What do you make you fight?
I give my younger brother phone to use, so he can't sell am for one Mr. Best when they repair phone. So they two can't get matter within themselves. So my brother can't go station, go report the matter. So me myself I can't just go station, go tell and say me leave the matter, so I go fit settle the matter. So we can't come out for station there. So I can't go meet the Best, say, what's happened? Why you go sell somebody phone? The boy can't start to follow me the fight. So along the line when they follow me the fight, he can't still go station, go report the matter for station. So police can't follow and come. And at those same police, when my brother go report give, now he still bring come. So I just look and say, now matter I'm like say he don't fair reach their hand before. So me I just follow them and go settle the matter. On reaching there now they detain the both of us. Before you know, all those chief for the community say narcotics now they fight. So they can't use the matter. He will be complaining herself for they can't use the matter tie our two. So now they have to detain our two. Before you know, now they just call Abudu. Abudu you come pick us from Ronigbe to Abudu. So why we can't do Abudu now we can't just say they go arrest some kind of set of people. They won't even grant me bail that they say. I don't even call one come bail me. They already come for. The person don't even dey station self. They don't walk about my bail. Now they say me they just stop, me they wait. See they arrest some kind of people from Ronigbe. So they never say me they wait first. They never bail me. No, I don't even know. I not tell them. I don't even know anything about say go rob or no go rob. You don't understand? So person who come bail me don't dey station. They don't write about the bail everything. They don't write. They don't even carry me go my house go search. They don't see anything criminative for my hand. They don't do everything. They don't grant me bail, do everything. As they do and then information your line, they say they don't owe some kind boys for Ronigbe when we go rob.
But you know them, sir?
I know them. I don't deny them. I know them. So no matter.
So what he carry me come here? I'm just coming for fun. Police just came to my house, say I'm under arrest. And when I reach Abudu, carry me reach Abudu, they say whether I know this man. I can't say yes, I know. What he be? Say I am. I can't say but me I be a man, but I don't renounce. He say Oba say all those kind of things they don't they do am again. I know apart from that, now them me you know reach. I don't know what it call happen again.
My brother Akodeja, this matter wey you dey see so. When person go don't do something finish, go dey find where or waiting in one can take cover, say na him make am do this kind of thing. Now, you see the way those boys they confess they talk. One say he never done before. say if be say no be this fight when it come happen, he no sure say him for fit involved for this kind. He never thief for his life before. And the other one say as be say they are senior for the court matter, if they don't catch him, so they won't do something as a villain to say okay, anyhow they go see how they will release your oga. If you want to release your oga, now thief you can go thief to release your oga. Must you go and thief? Must you go and attack other people? Are there no other means of raising funds? If you be say person want raise money, as they raise money, say you want release person. Now to go thief, now they will take raise money. Not be thief that they raise money. There are other means so you physically raise money. We go be say at least that money come out, use and pay the person who you want pay.
So you know what they surprise me for? You know say they still get what they call a bouquet.
That is it. I be clear work now.
These guys they'll fit do but get money.
Definitely.
But they believe say they don't empower themselves.
Because they get waiting, they make them pass other people.
You understand? So when we say once they use that particular code when they get, they go feel, you know.
Hey, but na bad thing code deja.
Na bad thing.
Na bad thing.
But now what you come dey inside the matter they say. Number one man say no send you message.
Now I want to try to explain so.
You know that sir. Even no send message because okay. Even they tell us say shut up.
Okay.
Maybe now things now they find one and one come.
Now come they use say they don't catch you now they say now because of me.
If you look at the number one guy, he say he no deny say he no be Curtis. He say but he know the thief.
Okay.
He say he own Curtis matter now to fight against injustice. He say but what all these people go do? He say
not being sent there and he never see do one before. Okay now. Does it mean say if it be say this kind of thing don't happen, all these boys will go do what they do? Other ways there to raise money. And besides, would they tell people say make they remove one for batting no good. This thing, both the courts, both the thief where they go thief. Now batting, make they remove one for batting. It don't make sense. Now so me see that matter.
Well, let's just believe say with this particular matter when it don't happen so all these are brothers, they go learn lessons because nobody want to call back person brother. But since all of us are Nigerians, whether they're good or bad, but make them remove back come for bad.
So.
Make we go for small break as soon as we come, we'll knock on the lap to read for Ezekah for this week.
I felt they do one before. I can't travel go Ghana. So for long, I'm not going to do it again. Now as I take comebacks from Ghana of recent, so I can't go ask of my friend. When he can carry me, go meet this one. When he bring gun, come. When we can't go for this one, when they take whole lot. So
as I take call, I don't know say he deal with police. They come carry and come meet me. And when they carry and come meet me, they come see one small Oka made for my hand. And that Oka made pistol. Now my court member we dey tally now. Now SLR give me 5,000. So if war dey turn like this, I don't feel like you. This small, I dey put am for pocket because I don't know when I go waka jam my opponent. I always scare them away like 2 times so them won't dive my enemy. Time wey war dey, wey crisis dey, I don't feel like you. The other opponent will find out rich, I will not see am. Now will rob the mama with the parents. Who not get mind to do anything evil or sinister if you don't join court? Maybe not they do all this kind of thing before. You go get mind to involve yourself to cry. Go advise individual outside, both the ones who they grow the court, when they don't reach my age. Make men not try and go join courts. Because when I never join courts, I know they see all these kind of friends.
Yes, so my people, Edo State Police Commissioner Mr. Johnson Babatunde Kokumo, he says some persons when they say that they terrorize some areas from Uromi side, he said they don't take custody. This will call happen when they say the police commissioner call parade this particular guy when he say he don't take a police watch list. Well, make we hear from the guy, make it tell us how into they terrorize and how many of them they inside this particular matter and how many can remain now.
Which state you from come, Musa?
Na for Uromi.
No, which state you from come?
Na for Zaria na they born me.
Zaria na
they born me.
Where you for the kidnap?
No, I know back kidnap before. I don't rob 2 times.
You don't rob 2 times?
I know back do. Na for Okene Road.
Okene
Road. Now my brother na him get the gun. Na 6 people. Na him they get the gun. All of them, down. They don't arrest, down. You don't die. You don't kill them. Now only me remain.
Okay, that one.
All of them, they don't. Police don't catch them.
Okay, they don't catch them.
Now only me. And I did here 2 years. Me and over come back now. I over do again. And now that why they kill. Adamuna ain't get the gun.
Because you don't hear from this guy. If you see him now, you're saying a normal level. But they ask, I say no, they do kidnapping. Say, but na armed robbery in there they do. Say they be seized in numbers before. Say police does succeed to wipe out the almost 4-5 of them. Why it costs to be say easy to do this particular thing when they do so?
Well, that's not the question when we go ask. But one thing when I want to talk for this matter, we say we don't talk and say the day we hand will meet people when they do bad. That day they not go expect say that kind of thing they come. And I be waiting happen to this man. So anyhow, anything when like making the talk. But if hand meet him now, as he meet him, so from here now they'll carry and go court. From there now you go sleep for jail like say tomorrow Monday. So the one let you when me get to talk concerning this man matter, we say who do bad go still see bad thing for road. Now the own bad now you don't jam now.
Well, my people who now they always talk for this program. They want people say maybe they remove her come up for battle, but persons know they hear. That is why they always urge you now. We're gonna try to watch this particular program every Friday by 10:30. Should the case of Joseph Jonas, we could let you know the top to read one we get for this week. Wahala for suspected cultists as they start to accuse themselves for inside police station. One outside man when be specialized to rob people don't enter inside police custody. Yeah, I don't they make anyanya like who they pour water for body. My people, this one are the top to read what we get for this particular episode. Till this same time, this same station, my name is Wellington Akodedia.
My people, my name na Usaze Omogiate.
My people,
una bye bye you.